Okay, I'm on. Oh! Oh my god! Did you see that lightning? That gave me a big heart attack. Oh my goodness. I'm happy I got that on video. Did you see that? Woo! Oh my god. I just started the video and then there's some flashing. Just came out of nowhere and just did it. Woo! Oh my goodness. Wow. Sorry for the screaming. That huge flash, and look, this is epic. Part 2 is much, whoa, is much epic than part 1. Holy cow! Holy moly. Even more is happening. It's not stopping. It's not going away. Whoa. Wow. This is epic. Whoa. I get it. This lightning gives me, just like, goes out of nowhere and just scares me. Whoa, 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 baby. Please don't make a big one. Please stop. Can't say stop, but listen. Wow, I've never had a thunderstorm like this. This is the first time. Like, it just starts booming and flashing everywhere. It usually just, like, takes, like, a minute, and then, like, 10, or, like, 5 minutes, and then 2 minutes, or whatever. And now this is, like, taking, like, seconds and seconds, and whoa! Oh my, whoa! Oh my, wow, listen to that. I can't stop saying whoa because of the flashes. Here it comes. I just have to, like, look away. Oh my goodness. That, like, playground just, like in the other house is, like somehow got struck. Or, like, struck the tree. Holy moly. Wow. Wow. This is epic. Scary. Wow. Whoa! Huh. Listen to me, all the whoaing and the eyeing. And like this right now, it's a whoa. Holy moly. I've never had a thunderstorm like this. Look at this. Look at. Whoa. And listen and look. Look at all the booming. Can't believe it's happening. I don't know if you guys saw the beginning, that huge flash happened. Whoa. Woo! Woo! Wow. Wow. Oh! Oh, that was a big flash. At least it didn't struck. That'd be scary. I'd be freaking out. Whoa, sounds like an earthquake. I call this a thunderquake. Whoa. I mean, we don't get earthquakes in Massachusetts. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness. Sorry if you feel the wind. The air conditioner just turned on. I have air conditioning. Just whoa in my ceiling. Wow, this is awesome. I can't believe I'm videoing this. This overly insane storm. Whoa. Whoa! Whoa! Absolutely insanity! Wow. If I was in Georgia, that'd be crazy. Like, this is like the Atlanta, Georgia thunderstorm. Like, Escalator Gleek 80. I can't say his numbers, but has filmed an elevator, and it has thunder and epicness that happened. This is like the Hilton Hotel thunderstorm in Atlanta, Georgia, where Escalator Geek has filmed it. And this is crazy, but his was crazier than that one. Oh. I hope no one's walking outside, then that'd be the good thing. I cannot stop videoing. Like, I'm recording all this booming. Like, the booming's not even, like, fading. I don't know how long this wild storm we're having. Even what happened in the beginning. Woo! So insanity. I cannot. Oh my goodness. I'm like, my eyes are literally, like my eyes, like I just want to like close my eyes and like not see it, but whoa. All right. Anyways, I'm gonna end it. There's still booming and lightning out, but I'll end it like maybe like I don't know when I should. I don't know when it's a good time. Alright, I'm gonna end it, so have a great day.